Hey everybody, let's talk about how to use mass spreadsheet upload in today's article. This is 𝗪𝘆𝘀 from 𝗪𝘆𝘀, and let's get started. Using a mass spreadsheet upload method is one of the quickest and most efficient ways to construct campaigns. It will just take too long to develop your campaign in Google Advertisements Editor if it has over 100 text ads or over 1,000 keywords. The answer is to use spreadsheet upload. What does a spreadsheet upload entail? All of your text advertising, ad groups, keyword lists, match kinds, and bid amounts are created in an Excel spreadsheet for the spreadsheet upload. After that, you copy and paste the spreadsheet into Google Ads Editor. Google Advertisements Editor will parse all of the data it receives, notify you of any mistakes, and insert all the text ads, keywords, and ad groups where they belong. Then click Post Changes after correcting any problems. You might get a few more issues when the modifications go live on the server, which you will have to fix. You are finished now. When you are working with hundreds of keywords and text advertising, even the lag time between moving tabs in Google Ads Editor might add up. Much of this lag time can be eliminated using the spreadsheet's upload approach. Here are some pointers to help you through the procedure. How to make a spreadsheet. Go to learn more about the fields Google Ads Editor requires. Add/edit multiple ad groups. Go to Data. Go to Ad Groups. Examine all the data field Google Ads requires you to copy and paste from a spreadsheet. In your spreadsheet program, make these columns. Go to and repeat the process with your keywords. Add/edit multiple keywords. Data. Go to Keywords. Then go to Add/edit text ads. Go to Text Ads and go to Data. After you have completed these 3 steps, you should have a spreadsheet that contains all of the values you need to enter. Text headlines and descriptions, destination URLs, keywords, match types, and bids will all be included in this list of data. Text ads, some advice. If you want to generate 2 ads per ad group so you can split test advertising, simply pick all of your ad groups and paste them back into the spreadsheet underneath all of the existing ad groups when creating your text ads. Every ad group will be duplicated. Then sort by ad group name, and there will be 2 of each ad group for you to write ads for. When creating AdWords, having 3 columns to indicate the length of the content you are writing might be very helpful. Your headline can be 25 characters long, and your description 1 and 2 can be 35 characters long. To calculate length in Excel, use the formula =len and in parentheses cell. Simply enter that formula in the 3 cells adjacent to the text ad cells to see how many characters remain as you compose the AdWords. To summarize, using a spreadsheet to write advertisements, modify keywords, compile ad groups, and handle just about everything else in a large campaign will save you a lot of time. Hey folks, thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group 𝗪𝘆𝘀. Subscribe to our channel 𝗪𝘆𝘀 on YouTube. Visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.